lots of e.l.f. brushes. Color here along with a sunscreen, and then e.l.f. Soft Glam Foundation, satin finish, 25 light neutral. The reason why I was shopping e.l.f. Cosmetic was because of this foundation. I had seen so many reviews on this. The foundation I have on right now is like a tint. So I'm gonna remove that real quick, and then we're gonna try this foundation. So this sheet is from Obagi. It's a cleansing sheet. This is a 1 ounce. It sells for $8. It's nice, very nice. Warm it up a little, place it right here, and see how this looks. How does it look? It's a little creamy. It dries down immediately. It sets really fast. The glow. Do you see the glow? Right here. That's beautiful. So put it on. Kind of, instead of wiping, I'm gonna like press it in. When I do my foundation, more coverage is in the center of my face, and then the outer face has the lightest coverage. I'm gonna do a little bit more because I wanna get a little bit more coverage up here, and I wanna show you what it looks like on the back of the hand. So let's do this. The color is gorgeous. My hand is dark, so it's not gonna match my hand, but it is so pretty. This has 1% hydrating hibiscus complex. It also has pomegranate, blueberry, and goji berry extracts in this as well. And it's recommended for combination skin, dry skin, and oily skin. Another part of my purchase was brushes. So a foundation brush. There's a Precision Swirl foundation brush. I also bought the Precision Airbrush blender. I'm gonna blend with this one. This is the brush. It's an airbrush blending. So, you know, I love making my foundation look airbrushed. I like to buff out the foundation because it just picks up any excess and it buffs it out around the areas that are fine lines, pores, wrinkles. So that's a concern of mine. That looks good. I bought a foundation brush. Online, it was like, looked bigger, but it's actually really tiny. It's synthetic, but I was like, this is a good brush for around the eye area. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of this, place it here, and then blend it out. It's perfect for the eye area. A bit more. Use a brush to buff it out. You'll see on this side right here, it's gonna look a little bit more natural. Look at that. So this is a 4-star foundation that sells for $8, and it's a medium coverage. It's buildable. It's a great foundation. I recommend this. Yeah, and I recommend it for all ages. If you're, 40 and over, you want to make sure your skin's hydrated, and then that way this will glide on a little smoother because it dries fast. Like it's just once it's on, it's like stuck. This is a great makeup if you're wanting to skip concealer. You can always just go back and get another layer and place it on areas that you need more coverage. So I do recommend this. Now, just using this by itself without a brush, I would get a brush. I highly recommend a brush. So this brush here, this foundation brush was $10. It was actually more than the foundation. I like it. It looks so pretty. It's just got this nice glow. Okay, I'm sold. E.L.F Putty Blush, E.L.F Putty Bronzer, E.L.F Putty Bronzer. Putty Brush Trio, $12. Brush, and you can grab your product. Putty Blush, so you can apply your blush with this. Nice, it's a little firm. Putty Bronzer. So we're gonna do bronzer first. I'm a bronzer girl. I work from the back of my hand. I'm using a lot because I'm gonna show you the color. It's a lot. Okay, so let's just blend this in. It's the color. So pretty. I contour a lot, so you don't have to put on as much as I do, but I love contouring. Okay, let's get a little bit more and do right here. So when I contour, I like to go where they say where the sun hits. So it's like your forehead, right here. And contour a little bit here if you need to, just a little. I may contour a little bit of this eye because my eye's been looking crazy today too. Oh, pretty. Just gives me a little color. That's it. Very natural. Putty bronzer brush, and I'm gonna just clean up edges. E.L.F Cosmetic Putty Blush Tahiti. Right here. Blend this out a little. Want to just like sweep it on. It's not a swirl, but that's what I do for putting the blush on. Work it in there, and then I can need a little bit more. I like it. I like the brush. It's kind of cool. Something they gave me that I'm not going to actually put on is the bronzing drops. This right here. Blush, bronzer, glow. Brighten up the center of the area as if I was doing like a concealer, because I did a lot of blush, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of this, place it here, and I'm neutralizing this area again because I did a lot of blush and bronzer, so I just want to brighten up that area again. So in place of a concealer, I'm just using this. I did purchase some eyeliners. I purchased a No Budge Smudge eyeliner, and this is in black. I'm just gonna see how it is. Very fine. Does it stay? I'm gonna leave it on for a second. A No Budge retractable eyeliner, and this one is black and a brown. So this one here is the retractable, and it goes up and down. It's a thicker. We're gonna try this one right here. Okay. And here's coffee. We're gonna see which one's gonna last longer. Meanwhile, I'm gonna jump into a lip gloss. E.L.F Lip Plumping Gloss in Mocha Twist. This is a $7 lip gloss, and it got 4 stars. There's a color. Pretty. Smells a little like a sweet latte, a sweet coffee. Okay, let's try this on. I think I love it. That's pretty. Okay, let's go on the other side. Highly recommend. Okay, this is a winner. Which eyeliner is going to stay on the longest? Let's see. Got smudged. Got smudged. The brown one wins. I like the brown one. So that means we're going to try on the brown one. The color is right here. I have a black and a brown in this. And I'm just going to place a little, not a lot, because I'm 50. Hey. Weird. Let's clean this. I'm going to smudge it out with a concealing brush. This is $5 from E.L.F. and I just need to blend this out. Ooh, I like. Okay, let's do it. It was a little clumpy going on. Looks nice. Last but not least, I got a sample of mascara. Lash It Out Loud Volumizing Mascara in black. Travel size sells for $4. And then the regular size sells for $6. So let's see how this works. Always so much product at the end. That's nice. I like it. Let's see how it stays. Give it a second to dry. You can still build it. Okay, I just built that. It looks good. It looks good. I'm Christine, your beauty expert. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on E.L.F. Cosmetics and my unboxing. Yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.